Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. And in this video, this would not be just an information video about me and why there has not been few videos from few days, no videos in fact from few days, and that's some of you might already have figured it out, but I'm not sure. So let me clarify that for you. I have been getting a lot of feedback that my mic has not been working, has been very bad to listen to, and that's the reason I was trying to fix it up. So as you can see, my voice is much more clear in this mic. This is a new mic, and so from today onwards I would be making regular videos. You will get one videos every single day from here, and that's what I've been doing. But the last few weeks, last few days, I have just been trying to fix my mic. The laptop mic has not been working from quite some time. It was working intermittently, and finally I came to know that this is not good for my channel based on the content. Also, I would be making regular videos from here because I have got it fixed now that I have fixed. And also with the Lok Sabha elections results coming up in the next few days, it would make sense if I restart with some important content from that topic, and then I will continue with my new agenda and the educational purposes. So very big thank you for giving me all the feedback, required feedback from time and again about my mic, which I had to fix it. And also on my videos, on the comments of my videos, your comments are always welcome. I always keep that open for you because I would like to get feedback for you as to what kind of videos you would like me to make in future, technical analysis, strategy videos, and things. So very soon I will come up with more content, more valuable content, and also your suggestions are always welcome. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, please do join. But your suggestions on my videos are always welcome because I read every single comment and feedback which you provide. Because every day what I do is I do get a notification. I do get a notification too whenever you give me a feedback. Sometimes there is a delay of 1 or 2 days, but I do read every single comment and I do respond if there is a requirement for me to reply to you. So that's pretty much this was just a quick update from my side, and I will quickly create more content, and from tomorrow onwards you would get videos from my side every single day. So if you have not joined my Telegram channel, there is a link below, and also if you do not have an account with Zerodha Trading, which is the best discount broker in India at the moment, #1 discount broker in India, please do open an account with Zerodha. There is a link below in the description from where you can open an account instantly. So I will see you again on my next video. Thank you.